Yesterday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said Tesla was about a month from bankruptcy during the Model 3 ramp. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next Tesla story, and also check our community page for interesting discussions. Laura Kolotny from CNBC has the details, saying on Tuesday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that his electric car company Tesla had been about 1 month away from bankruptcy in recent years, when it was still figuring out how to mass produce the Tesla Model 3 electric sedan. In the middle of a discussion about Tesla's fundraising history, a follower asked how close was Tesla from bankruptcy when bringing the Model 3 to mass production. Musk replied saying, "Closest we got was about a month. The Model 3 ramp was extreme stress and pain for a long time, from mid-2017 to mid-2019, production and logistics and so on." You remember how difficult it was for Model 3, delayed orders, and then people were waiting that each week the production rate will go up and so on. But thankfully, Tesla got out of it in a very honorable way. And in fact, yesterday I just reported that a report from China came that the Tesla Model 3 made in China has the highest quality rating from all the cars that are made in China, with only 0.3 defects reported out of 10,000 vehicles. For that, check out my yesterday's report at Torque News YouTube channel. Now, Musk has often spoken about what he calls the production and logistics hell of taking a new electric vehicle into high volume manufacturing. I don't like using that word hell in this context, but it's production and logistics difficulty when you mass produce a new vehicle. However, Elon Musk, CNBC article says the company had never disclosed exactly how little runway they had before facing a possible bankruptcy. In early 2019, when Tesla was manufacturing fewer than 63,000 Model 3s per quarter, Elon Musk raised billions by promoting Tesla's self-driving ambitions at an Autonomy Day event and in calls with institutional investors. In fact, today, Tesla's FSD, full self-driving, is in beta test, and we have reported several interesting videos of how it's going and how fast it is improving. So please check them out. At that time in 2019, Musk and other Tesla executives said in quarterly financial filings and investor calls that the company would be able to fund its business needs with existing cash flow, but the company was raising just in case of a recession or weak global auto demand. In quarter 3, Tesla reported its 5th consecutive quarter of profitability, thanks in large part of sales of regulatory credits. They watered this virus very well. They did very well during this time of virus compared to other legacy car makers. Tesla no longer breaks out production numbers for the Model 3 alone. However, since its production and logistics difficulty with the Model 3 in the US, it has opened a new factory in Shanghai, where its goal is to produce 150,000 Model 3 vehicles per year, and then increase the output, its annual output, to at least 250,000 vehicles a year, including the Model Y and Model 3. In fact, Tesla is about to operate the phase 2 of its Shanghai Gigafactory, and soon next year Tesla will be in production of producing its Model Y from Giga Berlin in Germany. Now, yesterday on Tuesday, Musk also seemed to defend his unprecedented CEO compensation package on Twitter. CNBC notes that a fan commented on Musk's agreement in 2018 to remain as Tesla's CEO, working for no salary but instead racking up the rights to buy shares in the company later at locked-in prices if the business meets certain milestones. Musk replied saying, referring to his other venture, SpaceX. Yes, although I didn't expect the stock to rise so much so soon, the reason for the stock options is that they are needed to help pay for humanity to get to Mars in 10 or 20 years. Musk has earned several tranches of his compensation package worth more than 11 billion as the virus pandemic raged. At the same time, Tesla has slashed employee pay, says not CNBC, furlough works and told factory workers to come back to build cars in Fremont, California before the state and country had deemed it safe to do, reports CNBC. Now, when it comes to Tesla bankruptcies, was Tesla ever close to the bankruptcy brink? Absolutely. CEO Elon Musk revealed Tuesday on Twitter. Like I said, Musk replied to fans. Now, so far, things seem to have shaken out in Tesla's favor. Model 3 sales remain strong, and the Model Y should help Tesla increase its production facility scale. But we should remember that Tesla books the majority of its profits with the sale of regulatory credits it sells to other automakers, notes the CNET Roadshow. One day those credits likely won't be there to sell, but perhaps it's just the handicap Tesla needs to fully flourish. The automaker plans to spend up to 12 billion through 2022 to ramp up production at 2 new manufacturing facilities, one in Giga Berlin, in the Berlin, Germany, and the one in Austin, Texas. Things are going really well at Giga Berlin. Inside works are already going. Last week or early this week, last week I reported that already we saw technology moving inside the paint shop in Giga Berlin. So interior work is being done. That's how fast we got there. And regarding to Tesla Giga Texas, things are going so well there that Elon Musk yesterday had actually 2 days ago on Twitter had a praising the work in the company, saying how he was pleased about the progress and everything that is going at Giga Texas. Giga Berlin is expected to produce the first Model Y earlier than its July 2021 date, hopefully maybe in the first or second quarter, and Giga Texas will be probably based on the numbers we have seen, the progress we have seen from Giga Shanghai and Giga Berlin. Probably it will take about 9 to 12 months to finish Giga Texas, so we should expect in the middle of by sometimes early September next year, production lines already producing the first cars at Giga Texas in Austin. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are about all these developments by Tesla. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day, everyone. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, and stay safe. And I'll see you in our next report. See you soon, friends.